Hi guys, good morning to Vandal. This is G Pensla. I am studying 3rd BTech in Shankara Institution of Technology. Today, my tech talk presentation in the subject cyber security. What is cyber security and what is web security? What is hacking? What is the security threats? Top 2 web security threats discussion now. First of all, what is cyber security? Cyber security means protecting something unwanted data. First of all, what is cyber? Cyber is nothing but communication. Communication between the all electronic devices is term called as a cyber. Cyber security means protecting the something or unwanted and important data is called a security. Cyber security is nothing but the name itself represents that all communication of electrical devices protecting something unwanted data is called a cyber security. First of all, what is web security? Web security means web security is very important. Nowadays, websites are always prone to security threats and risks. Web security deals with the security of the data over the internet and network or web or while it is being transferred to a internet. Transferring web security means transferring of the data from one system to another system using the internet is called web security. Next, what is hacking? Hacking is nothing but the name itself represents the another system data hacked them our systems is called hacking. See this definition, you can easily understanding of hacking. A website may result in the depth and importance customs and customer data. It may be the credit card and information or the login details of the customer, or it can be destruction of the ones and businesses and propagation of illegal content of the users. While somebody hackers you whether they can either they steal the data and through your website. So therefore security consideration are needed to content of web security. Next, what is security threats? Threats is nothing but error. In computers there are two types: protection and security. Security threats, a threat is a nothing but a possible event can damage and harm of the information system. Security threats is defined as a risk that which can be potentially harm computer systems and organization. Whenever an individual or organization create a website, they are vulnerable to security attacks. Security attacks are mainly aimed to setting a alternating of the policies is called a security threats. Top of the web security threats are constantly emerging and evolving, but may threats are and consistently appear at the top of the list. Web security threats these are includes and cross-site scripting and SQL injection, phishing and ransomware and code of injection and virus and worms and spyware, DNS services. Security consideration. The name itself represents as security means communication of electronic devices. These are consideration is update the software and beware of SQL injections and create and cross-site scripting and error messages and data validation and password protection. First of all, update the software. In update the software is nothing but the name itself represents as whenever some software is updated into your system is called a software update. Next, what is brief of SQL injection? The name itself represents as SQL stands for structured query language or standard query language. In SQL injection is an attempt to manipulate your data or your database by inserting right code into your query. Whenever your query is take that query entire data is correction or not, that type of process is called SQL injection. Next, cross-site scripting. Cross-site scripting is means it allows the attackers to inside the client side and script into the web pages is called a cross-site scripting. The name itself represents as attackers insert the client side script. Whenever attackers attacks the at a client side. That main concept is called a cross-site scripting. Example is users authentication to the attackers error messages. You need to be very careful about the error messages which is generated to given information to the users. While user access the website and the same error messages are generated due to the one of the another reason is called a error messages. Next of all, data validation. Data validation is nothing but whatever the data is valid, that only data we have to protect. That is called data validation. Nowadays data validation is very important, and read the all the about the data. We have to select the correct data in entire data is called a data validation. Next part, what is password? Password is nothing but whenever a system is there, that system data is access to your system, your data only access itself, another person not access that data. We have to protect our passport only. It's called a password. Thank you friends, I am given opportunity.